Alright, let's talk about something that's been flying completely under the radar while everyone else is busy staring at Bitcoin charts and arguing about altcoin season. FET, the token behind the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, is making a move so clean, so structured, it honestly looks like someone drew it on a whiteboard beforehand. We're talking about $2.33 million in exchange outflows, a reclaimed 20-cent support, and a direct challenge at 26-cent resistance, all pointing toward one destination, 35 cents. And if you're sleeping on this, you might wake up and wonder why your bag stayed light. So let's break it down properly. No fluff, no noise, just the data, the structure, and the story it's telling. Here's the thing about FET that makes this setup interesting. And, yeah, just a little bit uncomfortable if you've been sitting on the sidelines. For months, this token has been grinding through one of the most brutal downtrends in the altcoin space. It fell all the way to a 14.22-cent base. That's not a dip. That's a full excavation. People were writing FET's obituary, calling it another overhyped AI narrative token that had nothing left in the tank. And honestly, looking at the chart back then, it was hard to argue otherwise. But then something quietly started shifting, not with loud green candles or a viral tweet from a celebrity influencer, but with something far more powerful and far less obvious. Supply started disappearing from exchanges. Now, when tokens leave exchanges in large quantities, one of two things is happening. Either someone is moving coins to cold storage because they plan to hold for a very long time, or whales are positioning ahead of a move they already see coming. Either way, the result is the same. Fewer tokens available to sell. And when sell-side liquidity dries up, even moderate buying pressure can push price significantly higher. That's not opinion, that's basic market mechanics. The question is this a genuine structural shift, or just a temporary liquidity mirage before the next leg down? That tension is exactly what makes this setup worth watching closely right now. Let's start with the exchange outflows because this is where the real signal lives. FET has recorded over $2.33 million in outflows, and the spot Netflow data from CoinGlass is still printing negative, most recently clocking in at approximately negative $1.01 million. Consistently negative net flow means more FET is leaving exchanges than entering them. This isn't a one-day anomaly. This is a sustained pattern of accumulation behavior. Large holders are choosing retention over liquidation, which tells you something critical. The smart money isn't rushing to the exit. They're digging in, and when whales dig in, supply on the order books thins out, and the price becomes far easier to move upward with less capital than it would normally require. Now let's look at price structure because the chart is telling a story that aligns perfectly with what the on-chain data is showing. FET bounced hard from that 14.22-cent base and has since reclaimed the 20-cent level. Not just touched it, reclaimed it. That's a structural shift. The rounded bottom formation visible on the chart is one of the most reliable reversal patterns in technical analysis. It signals slow, methodical accumulation over time, followed by a gradual curve upward, rather than a violent spike that fades immediately. FET is currently trading around 23.29 cents, pressing directly into the 26-cent resistance zone, a level that has capped recovery attempts before. But this time, the approach looks different. It's backed by real structural support, not a weak relief rally driven by short-term speculation. Here's what makes 26 cents so critical. This isn't just a random number on a chart. It's the level where previous buyers tried to push through and got rejected. Every time price approaches a resistance zone that previously capped it, the market is essentially testing whether the conditions have changed enough to break through. And the conditions right now, they've changed significantly. The 20-cent support has been held, outflows are persisting, and the technical indicators are screaming bullish momentum. Speaking of indicators, the Directional Movement Index, or DMI, readings are about as clean as it gets for a bullish thesis right now. The plus DI sits at 33.10, while the minus DI is suppressed at 14.25. That spread nearly 19 points by Bonner, reflects dominant buying pressure, not a coin flip between bulls and bears. When the plus DI leads with that kind of margin, it means buyers are firmly in control of price discovery. And then there's the ADX at 38.43. ADX measures trend strength, not direction, and at 38.43, it is confirming that this trend is not only intact, but actively strengthening. Anything above 25 on the ADX typically signals a strong trend. At 38.43, we're well past emerging trend territory. This is a confirmed momentum-backed move. The market isn't guessing here. It's committing. So, what does all this point to? With supply tightening through persistent outflows, 20 cents holding as structural support, price pressing into 26 cents with genuine momentum, and both DMI and ADX confirming trend strength, the path toward 35 cents is the logical next destination. A decisive close above 26 cents on meaningful volume would effectively remove the last meaningful resistance between current price and that 35-cent target. That's nearly a 50% move from current levels, and given the supply dynamics at play, it doesn't require a market-wide bull run to get there. It just requires the current conditions to persist without disruption. Now, my personal read on this, and I say this as someone who watches accumulation setups across dozens of assets, is that the 26-cent breakout, when it comes, is going to feel fast. Most retail traders will notice it after the fact, because the smart money's already been positioning through those outflows we discussed. By the time 26 cents gets cracked decisively, the narrative shifts from Fed is recovering to Fed is in a new trend, and that narrative shift brings a whole new wave of buyers who weren't watching the setup unfold. That second wave is what takes price from 26 cents toward 35 cents, and the foundation for that second wave is being laid right now, quietly, through exchange withdrawals and strengthening technical structure. That's the FET setup in full detail, supply tightening structure strengthening and a clear target on the board at 35 cents. If you found this breakdown useful, drop a like on the video because it genuinely helps the channel reach more people who want real analysis, not just price predictions pulled from thin air. If you want to go deeper on AI token setups or altcoin accumulation plays, I've got more videos lined up that you'll definitely want to catch. And if you're new here, subscribe. Because we do this kind of structured breakdown regularly, and you don't want to keep showing up late to the party. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile, and any asset discussed, including FET, can lose value rapidly. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Trade responsibly.